Tired of dry chicken breast and undercooked legs? Today we're ditching the traditional roast and spatchcocking our bird for the juiciest, most flavorful smoked chicken you've ever had. Flip the chicken over so the backbone is facing up. Using kitchen shears or a sharp knife, cut along both sides of the backbone, removing it completely. Don't toss it, it's great for making stock later. Spatchcocking simply means removing the backbone and cracking the rib cage so the chicken lays flat. This allows for even cooking and faster cook time, ensuring a crispy skin and juicy meat throughout. Now flip the chicken back over and press down on the backbone to flatten it out. Now to flavor it, we'll start by giving our chicken a light coat of olive oil on both sides. This will help the spice rub adhere and keep the skin nice and moist during the smoke. Next, we're using a simple but delicious spice rub. My go-to blend includes seasoned salt, rosemary salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, sweet paprika, and coriander. Also, I have a few other secret ingredients in here. You'll find the full recipe in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Once the chicken is thoroughly coated, I like to wrap it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes just for the flavors of the spices to develop and absorb into the skin a little bit. While the bird is resting, it's time to fire up the smoker. The original plan was to use my pellet smoker, but it refused to fire up today, so I decided to go with the Weber smoker. I'm using hickory wood chips today, but for a classic smoky flavor, you can experiment with different woods like apple or cherry. I have the heat on one side and I'm laying the chicken on the opposite side. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and close up the vent almost entirely so that the temperature is about 225. Now for the barbecue sauce, we're gonna baste the chicken about 30 minutes before pulling it off the smoker. Super easy. It's ketchup, mustard, some Worcestershire, a little sweetness from maple syrup and brown sugar, and some apple cider vinegar for tang. And of course, a pinch of spices to round it all out. The full recipe is down below so you can tweak it to your liking. Now that the chicken is about 30 minutes away from being done, we're going to baste it and cover it up and let it finish up in the smoker. Now for the moment of truth. Look at that gorgeous color, that crispy skin. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Perfectly cooked, juicy throughout. Spatchcocking really does make a difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.